there any eggs? I need eggs.
Yo, guys,
I
I just got in the craziest
I
code.
just need eggs. All I want is eggs.
Let's go.
Yep.
Bro,
This is over. I like all of my other items.
Bro, I wish I had.
here, guys.
Do y'all have eggs?
My
I just
whole
need eggs.
items
That's all I
are
want.
full of black crates. Heroes joining me. We're gonna do our own money code. Trust me.
Yes.
Are you still in here?
Heroes join.
Let me just see.
Are you still in here?
Nah, I have the stuff.
Yeah.
Giveaway. Giveaway. Happened by my own.
I want to see this.
There eggs?
Go to, go
You have eggs in
to.
there?
I'm
Okay,
tired
this is not.
I don't know for sure.
We're gonna do money
This
code.
is worse than ours.
Oh, I need this. I need this. Hold on real quick.
That's
Ethan, where are you?
Are you looking for?
Alright, should I get to the rest of the items? Let's see. Ooh, mini rocket launcher. Ooh, shotgun.
Are you looking for me?
Ooh, regular shotgun. That's so boring. Regular.
Who's calling the name Ethan?
Oh, well, look, there's a tiny revolver too.
Alright guys, let's see what's in here.
Red, come here. Red, come here.
Dang.
Red, come here.
Here,
Ethan,
you
where
can
are
take
you?
this one. You can take this one.
Ethan, where are you?
I'm helping sell. Someone get me a nut shredder though.
I'm right here. I'm in
Like
here.
you,
I'm
like
in
you.
Can somebody buy a whole bag of nut shredders? I mean, a whole group of nut
I
shredders.
got you guys. I got you. I'll buy nut shredders.
Wait, a grappler. I need a grappler. Give out a grappler.
Wait for me.
Someone give out a
Yeah,
grappler.
I'm a moderator.
Having a stick does not make you a moderator.
What the fuck?
I'm a moderator, chat. I'm a moderator.
What in the actual hell does
Is anyone else curious toxic? Because I don't know who curious toxic. My name's in here. Like he's
That's my cousin's brother. Just a bag of good.
Wait, what's the bag of balloons? Can you put balloons in here?
There's a lot of good happenings. There's a lot of good happenings just spawning.
My items! Cyrus, help me put it back! Please, Cyrus, help me put it back. I got this. Guys, help me put my items back. Oh my god, bro, who did that? Oh my god, no. I lost everything. Guys, I'm gonna buy more. You can bam. Now wait, who has all these, bro?
No shredders!
Guys,
Shred the nuts, guys. Does anybody have shred the nuts? No!
Put that right head, puss!
My thing's full. My shredder's full. Who wants it? Someone go sell my shredder. That's like,
guys,
wait, guys. Let me get
Here, come down here. Here, come down here. Here, I got this one for you. Oh, it's the same one, okay.
that much. I have 5 mil.
that's 9 mil.
Yeah, I made a bit of room in my stash.
Do your thing.
Here, more shredders.
Thank you.
Stop shredding the shredders.
We're making money.
I want a small galaxy.
Matt, why did you do this? Who did this? Who did this? It was a moderator.
Yeah, Isaac, I hear you.
What the fuck are you doing?
Hey, which one guy? I got it. Oh. Okay, now
This is
that's the way.
Yeah, there's a red thing.
If you want to bro, I saw that. I'm at Fortnite, the huge one.
Is this a galaxy?
Can someone do another? Can someone do another nut shredder giveaway? I need one. On it, yo,
Is this
Matt.
galaxy?
Check.
I want to kick this.
Oh, okay. Don't stop.
I'll do a giveaway.
Hey,
I need one. Oh, here.
I'm throwing out my normal one.
oh my life. Elbozo. Ha
Oh my god!
Guys, yo, who wants this bag?
But we're out here like slaves right
Yo, who
now.
wants this bag?
This one, the yellow one. That's
No, it's empty. You want it?
That's red galaxy. That's super rare. Yeah, I'm gonna keep this one instead. Yo, Odin, can you hold on with my bags?
No, yellow kid, come here. Yellow.
Dude, that the box.
Should I
Okay.
call for one, dude?
Yellow kid, come here.
Hey, whoever wants to make a whole, whoever wants to make $1 million, whoever wants to make $1 million, just join me.
Yellow kid right here. Yellow.
Edie, go to our normal. Right here. Go to our normal. Watch these.
No, the code
I
is
can't, it's
actually
I can't fit it
to
in,
make your
dude.
game like so much, it will give you
Jesus saved me, bro.
100,000.
I can't fit it in, though.
I'm pointing at you. Yellow, I'm
It won't
pointing at you.
fit.